Constitutional disqualification. Office of profit under the government. Disclaimer. This training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guidelines of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guidelines or rules or laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to understand the constitutional disqualification, office of profit under the government, explain the process of determining a post as an office of profit under the government, cite the acts passed by the Parliament and all state legislatures regarding removal of disqualification in respect of certain offices mentioned therein. Constitutional disqualifications. Basic disqualifications mentioned in the Constitution are: for membership of Parliament, Article 102, for membership of state legislatures, Article 191, holding an office of profit under the government, being of unsoundness of mind, being an undischarged insolvent, non-citizenship of India or acknowledgement of allegiance or adherence to a foreign state, any other disqualification prescribed by Parliament. Office of profit under the government. Article 102, 11A of Constitution deals with the office of profit in Lok Sabha election. Article 191, 11A of Constitution deals with the office of profit in Vidhan Sabha election. An office which is capable of yielding a profit or pecuniary gain can be considered as an office of profit. Holding an office under the central or state government to which some pay, salary, emolument, remuneration or non-compensatory allowance is attached. How to test? As per Supreme Court decision in Shivamurthy Swami Inamdar versus Agadi Saganna Adnappa, following tests can be applied: whether the government makes the appointment, whether the government has the right to remove or dismiss the holder, whether the government pays remuneration, what the functions of the holder are and does he or she perform them for government, does the government exercise any control over the performance of these functions? However, Parliament and all state legislatures have passed acts removing disqualification in respect of certain offices mentioned therein. Please refer to Central or State Act on Removal of Disqualification. When an office exempted from disqualification under the law, the holder of such office is not deemed to be holding office of profit, irrespective of receiving remuneration. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or queries regarding this video, you can contact through the mail address as shown on the screen. For more election related material, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.